Good morning. It's actually not good morning anymore. I haven't vlogged yet today. Well, until now, but I've been busy uploading, posting stuff to eBay, trying to sell some stuff to make some money. So, as you can tell, I got clothes piled up everywhere, and I'm doing laundry too. So, but of course now he wants to go outside, so we're taking him outside before it rains. Try to get this laundry done before it rains too. Okay, let's turn the TV off. Boop. So, yep, that's what we're doing. I'm about to go hang up some laundry and all that. So, I don't have that much to do today. So, anyway, we'll see you outside. Cody couldn't help but crank the car up again. Can't crank it up too much because we don't have the sensor thing on the radiator, so there's no water in it, so it could overheat very easily. But Cody did all the work, and now he still can't drive it yet. Hoping we can possibly go tomorrow to the junkyard and get one. Hopefully we can do that. So anyway, then we'll be able to drive it. We'll have to get gas too, but I'm in the middle of hanging up clothes, so yay! Christian figured out how to press the horn. Oh my goodness. Oh, you didn't press. Okay, that's enough. Oh my goodness.
Got him.
I'm chasing a lizard. Pet it. Whoa, those little baby birds are fast. Let's call up the tree. Here it is, Christian. Daddy's got it. Petting, look. Petting. Good job. Look, is he crawling on Daddy? You want to hold him? Hold him. Here. You want to hold him? Here. Right, put your fingers around him. Good job. You put him down. Oh my goodness. Did he squish him? Oh no. The lizard was just terrified. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I put out videos every single day of my life with my husband and son. And if you haven't seen yesterday's vlog, press the previous vlog. And I hope you have a great day. Bye!